being killed, and he reacts in a manner that he's not noticed. You know, because the guys are there. So how to do it? So you know, I thought, you know, his voice should come. He's trying to shout, but it's not coming. It's paralyzed by voice, sound is paralyzed. So later I understood that what is the significance of that. Yeah, because he has been killing people all his life. Like when he was he came up. So he has to pay. He can't decide one day that I'm leaving violence and he's scot-free. He has to pay what he's done. And the violence, you know, it doesn't leave till the end. So you, the repercussions, you know, whatever you do, repercussion, it chases you.